What's up guys, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different than usual. And yes, it's something related to Windows 11 again. Today we're going to be making a pen drive with multiple ISOs in it. ISOs that you can boot from. Say for example that you're in a little bit of a company setting and you have to flash a lot of different operating systems on multiple computers. Now you want to do it in one setting, but you don't want to use Rufus for doing that because Rufus has a big problem where you can only flash one ISO image to one pen drive. So say for example you want to flash one computer with Windows 11 and another with Windows 10, or if you're just tech savvy, this is going to be good for you. So there's a program called Ventoy. Now basically what Ventoy does is it's a little bit of a bootloader. It creates a bootable USB for ISOs, WIMs, IMG, VHD, EFI files. It's pretty amazing. Basically, it's a little bit of a bootloader that stays on your pen drive. Sounds like an operating system on your pen drive, which loads ISOs and the rest. Now to start downloading, you have to click on the downloads. I will give all of the links in the description. Just go to ventoy.net and then to downloads. Click on this, which will take you to the GitHub page. Down here on the latest release, you should see this assets button. Click on it. Once you see the Windows one, download the one for your operating system. After downloading, you see you'll have a zip file in your directory. Now you have to unzip it with your zipping tool of choice. After that, open the folders. Now you can finally run Ventoy. Now here there's a few exes, but you'll want to run Ventoy to disk. Right click, run as administrator, yes. Now you see the pen drive that are plugged in. So before that you have to plug in your pen drive of course. Now you'll see that the pen drive that I've already plugged in already has a Ventoy version in it. If flashing a pen drive with Ventoy, you have to click on install. But because I already have Ventoy in my pen drive, I have to click on update, which will just reinstall Ventoy. So just click on install once you have the pen drive in, and warning, because your pen drive and everything in it will be deleted. After clicking on there, yes, basically what it's doing is it's updating the version of Ventoy that I have right now. But if you click on install, it will install. After this, you can close this. You see your pen drive will be now called Ventoy. Now your Ventoy pen drive, you can drag any kind of ISOs onto there like I did. I put BlissOS, ReviOS 10, ReviOS 11, Windows 7 Pro, Windows 8.1. And also, I'd like to show you the hierarchy of this in the disk management. You see, this is basically the EFI that is invisible to Explorer. This contains every bits and pieces of the actual operating system, basically the GUI and everything else, and this is basically where you put all the ISOs in. Now you see I've been using a 32GB pen drive. You can use any kind of size as long as the stuff that you're going to put in it fits in there. After this, you can just boot into the pen drive as normal as you did with Rufus. It'll show a little bit of a, if I go to document here, it'll show a little bit of a menu. Press enter and select the ISO that you want to boot into. On Windows ISOs, it might ask you to select RIM mode or normal mode. Let's go with normal mode. Unless you're using a Mac, then you can select it in RIM mode. After that, it will just install and run the ISO just like normal, just like Rufus. And that's going to be it for today. That's how you create a pen drive with multiple ISOs in it.